Hello everyone, welcome back to Retiree Escapades. Welcome to this episode. What we're going to do is pick up on where we left off, but today is June 1st. It's a Wednesday, 2022. It's been just over a week since we planted the sunflower seeds, and if you just pan down there, you can see the progress. They've germinated and are showing signs of some nice growth there. What I'm going to do today, there still may be some going to germinate and come up, but what I'm going to do is put a little something into the soil now. We're going to use some plant food. It's a 12-5-7. This is Expert Gardener. I'm not sure where I got this. I had it from a previous project perhaps. And we're also going to do this. I've never used this before, but we're going to try it. I like to experiment. This is Earth Science earthworm castings. Basically earthworm poo. I want to see what this looks like. It's not bad. You can see it's supposed to be very good fertilizer. It does a number of things for the soil. So what I'll do, I would gently just scrape the soil to discourage any weeds that are starting. Now, if you remember how we planted these, if you saw our first video, they're all like about 6 inches around. So I can just do this to discourage the weeds and break up the soil a little bit. I'm not going to disturb it too much because I'm not sure how much more will come up and where they will come up actually too. So we'll just throw some of this around. Kind of let it do its thing. We expect rains later on today. If not, we'll give it a drink. But we're going to do that, and I'll finish using the rest of the bag of that. But we're also going to put some of this fertilizer. There's not all that much in here, so we're going to mix this around too. Just spread it evenly as possible, just by hand, and hopefully it'll get where it needs to get and go. Put things a good beginning, a good start. So we'll see you next time. We'll resume with the progress on the sunflower.
Okay, see ya.
See ya.